This is Vantastic old camping ground, just beside the large road.
You can hear the noise, but it's really beautiful.
Yeah, it's a really convenient place. We always, when we went to our plot, when we worked in Helsinki, this was a half point. So we stopped always here after the work on Friday and got it right in the Saturday morning to our plot. Now we are just going the opposite way. We are driving quite a lot today, like 150 kilometers away.
We decided to go to Varkaus and then
Turku region, so other side of the whole Finland. That's because I have to send my laptop to the service.
And when you live on the road and you do not have an address, it's kind of tricky.
We have an address in Turku, so it needs to be picked up and also delivered at the same place. So Turku is one of the only places that is possible.
And we are going to deliver our laptop to the service, so we don't have that much lag in our videos.
Yeah, that is because we need our laptops to make the edits.
Yeah, so thank you for understanding the struggle.
There's some delays on our videos sometimes.
Yeah, and I will show you the bridge now, because I'm sure it seems more louder than it actually is. Yeah, behind me is the bridge, so when the lorries drive there, it's kind of loud bang noise. But here is such a pretty lake just beside our van, and water is so clear. It's nice to go to evening swim and also morning swim. Beautiful Lake Saimaa still there. Yeah, these driving days are a bit hectic and tiring because you feel knackered after you have been sitting on a vehicle all day. But we try to stretch our legs now and cook some food. The weather is pretty clear, so maybe even set up a barbecue. Does that sound good? Yes, let's do that. Thanks for traveling with us. It really means a lot to us. Our friends gave a zucchini, the huge one. Half of it was rotten, so we had to throw it away. But this part is excellent, so we will grill it. And we are making this chili marinade and my rosemary plant. This always happens when I put them in the bucket. They start to die. So we will chop whatever is left and put it on the marinade. Yeah. And then let it soak for a few hours. So everything is moist and ready when we start grilling. And Joni is doing the annoying part, cutting the rosemary. We went for the evening swim, assembled this 3D Star Wars figurine that we bought like 7 years ago from the Paris Disneyland, or is it the Disney World? Whatever. Yeah, it took hours, and then grilled some delicious food in this gorgeous place. And now we are tired and go early to bed. So cold. It's not summer anymore. It's freezing. Ooh. Now hot coffee. Good morning from Mäntyharju. We did sleep really good here, even though the bridge is really close and making a lot of noise. Usually we are in the nature and far away from the road, so we have used to being in silence, but I guess the road was okay. Now there's plenty of cars going. This is amazing country to travel during the summer and autumn and spring months. Winter time, no. Too cold and there's too much snow. Yeah. And darkness, of course. We kind of slept in really late. I guess we were so tired after exploring and meeting all our friends.
I think theme of our travels in Finland has been on abandoned places. Yeah, this is the main house of the campground that we are in. There is like electrical poles in the middle of forest and some toilets and that kind of things. So everything has grown up also in here. This was active, I think, somewhere in 90s.
And because this is an old abandoned campground, there's these beaches next to the water, so everybody can have like a private little booth. And I think this place is amazing and they should really construct it or turn it into stellplatz or something. We are in Turku. This is just a little parking lot in near harbor, and this is exciting place too because you can just watch all the boats go by, and there's a lot of these big ferries. And behind me you can see the big boats are starting to fly by, so it's exciting to see those while you are sipping your morning coffee.
We are always talking about how this lifestyle is so easy and convenient, and sometimes it's not. I actually sent my laptop to service like I think 1.5 months ago and they didn't fix it. And now I have to send it again. So here we are in Turku. Sarah's laptop actually got broken and we sent it to the service. Now it's ready to pick up, so that's why we came here. So we have at least one laptop that is working. Now when I'm sending my laptop, I have to actually go to the library to print out the label to the box so I can send it. So there is an inconveniences when you live in a van. This could be easily done in a house if you had a printer and just print out the labels, and yeah, you could send the laptops whenever you like to the service. Now we're gonna go to the city to run some errands. Yeah, beautiful place, silent place, just around the corner from Turku Central, so perfect place for us to run the errands and get everything done in one day.
Yay!
Everything is done. We always actually forget our camera when we go to do some chores. So we got actually printed the paper for my laptop and also this fabric that we bought. Yeah, it's for the end of our bed. Other end is already actually changed to the leather, and now we can change the another end.
We did not change the boat side in the same time because we want to know if
it works or not.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it worked great, so we're gonna do it other ends also.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a quick visit to the city. Sarah's laptop is here again, so it's working, and
now Joni's laptop can go to the service once again.
Yeah.
Hopefully everything works out and this is like a faded memory in our lives soon.
Next stop is going to the grocery store to buy some grilling things because we're gonna go to the summer cottage where we're gonna grill some food and go for sauna and enjoyment.
Yeah, and also edit some videos so we don't have that huge lag.
Yes.
Before we leave the Finland.
Finland.